Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pari Skypass. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to open a box and I waited for it for a really long time. I ordered it online and finally the courier have arrived. So let's open the box with you guys and see what's inside. Hey guys, so now the wait is over because I got my parcel. Finally today when I arrived here, the parcel was there and I am super excited to open and show you what's inside. So what I ordered is, I am using GoPro Hero 6 and this is the latest one, GoPro Hero 9. So this is my second GoPro. I'm super excited about it because this bundle, GoPro Hero 9 bundle, is really awesome. Very nice deal. So I will show you what's inside. So guys, why I got GoPro Hero 9 is because first of all it has front screen. Secondly, I got the bundle, which is a really good deal because it comes with 1 year subscription and you get a discount of $200 if you take that. And the bundle also contain one spare battery, which is very important. We needed a spare battery. It also have a SD card and it comes with one handler and one clip, magnetic clip. So it's like all in one and it's a nice small slim kind of packaging. So I'm gonna open and show you what's inside. Very excited to start using this camera and make more good videos for you guys. So let's see, open it up. Okay guys, let's start unboxing now. Let's open this. So there you go guys, my new camera is in my hand. So this is Unit 1 GoPro Hero 9 Black. This is the packing. Ta-da! Wow, love it. Love it, super excited. So this is the packing guys. Let me show you. So, Hero 9 Black. Okay. So guys, this is GoPro Hero 9 Black and it's a special bundle. So I get all this plus 1 year subscription and $200 discount. So it's a really great deal. You have all these things inside. Okay, as mentioned over here, same thing. These are some of the features mentioned here, and of course I already have the GoPro app from my previous GoPro Hero 6, so I just need to add this camera to the app and I'll be ready to use it. So let's open it and see. It's nice slim package. The previous box I had for GoPro Hero 6 was more square, but this is like a rectangular and smaller, quite heavy. It's packed well. So opening it. Ta-da! There you go. Oh, I love this hard case because, wow, look, just like that you can hold it that big. So the one I had before was more like square, maybe a little bigger than this, but this is like a small, very nice, easy to carry. Let's let's reveal my new GoPro. So this one have really good stabilizing, and of course the other one, the Hero 6, also had good stabilizing. Wow, look at this. OMG. So let's see here. First I have the SD card, 32 GB SD card. You get it free. The previous one I had to buy, but this time this bundle, I told you, it's awesome. Got it free. What else? Okay, some sticker, and yeah, all this mount, GoPro mount, subscription to GoPro, of course. And more paper, have product questions, paperwork, but I Google and see if I have any problem. So now let's see. This is the floating. So yeah, this is really nice. Okay, so you mount the camera here, and that's it. Very lightweight. It has no weight actually. So one accessories comes with it. Second one is, what is it? So now I have two battery. Of course, one will be inside and one spare battery. So this time I got two battery. Amazing, good to go. Okay, then what do I have? Okay, some charger. This one is very useful, very useful, because this has magnet here. So you put your GoPro camera here and the magnet, so it gets stuck to your helmet very easy. And then even this clip you can put on your helmet like this. You can pinch it to anything. This is new and very good. I'll come to the camera last, so let's see. Okay, I got extra mount, same like the previous one. I'll show you later. And some screw for your, this one, to fix your GoPro here. And one more. So two of these, one, this, two battery, charger, and the screw. So that's all. And then finally the camera. The camera looks a little bigger than the previous one. I don't have my camera with me to show you the comparison, but yeah, I'll go home and show you. So here you go, the camera is here, and this is the screen, lens. There you go. It feels like it's a little bigger than the previous one. I can only compare with my Hero 6 because I don't have Hero 7 and 8. And I was very happy because the GoPro came with the front screen, so if you are making any videos you can see yourself and where you are pointing at. So this is what it does look like. Awesome. I'll switch it on later, charge it for some time, switch it on, and then show you. So that was my unboxing for GoPro Hero 9 Black. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel at Pari Sky Pass. With another video with my new GoPro Hero 9 Black.